Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rani's at My Nature. Shangameshwar. This is the only place in the world where 7 rivers combine at one point. The 7 rivers are Tunga, Bhadra, Krishna, Veni, Bhima and Malapaharni. These 6 rivers are called with female names. The 7th one, Bhavanashi, is called with male name. The Bhavanashi river is originated from the mountains of Ahobilam. The Bhavanashi river flows from east to west. The other 6 rivers flows from west to east. These rivers flow and touches one of the Jyotirling and Ashtadasha Shakti Peetham Srisailam and flows into the sea. This Shangameshwar city is located in Kottapalli Mandalam, Kurnool district, 40 kilometers from Atmakur. There are bus facilities to Shangameshwar and public jeeps and public autos are also available. And from Telangana, from Mehboob Nagar to Somasila by bus and from there to Shangameshwar by boat. This Shangameshwar is also called as Nivrutti Shangameshwar. We all know passed away people's ashes are mixed in Ganga river. In Hindu culture, it is also said the Ganga river is bearing the people's sin. So once bearing the people's sin, she became as crow. So she came to the Shangameshwar and took a dip and washed away all the sins she was bearing for the passed away people. And here in Dakshavatika, when Sati Devi was insulted by her father, she burned her body and she got Nivrutti here. And it is also said, if the ashes of the past people are mixed in the Shangameshwar and rituals are performed here, they get Mukti. And it is also said, if we take bath in the Shangameshwar, the sins made by us 7 Janmas before and after will be washed off. So that's why this is called as Nivrutti Shangameshwar. Here there is a speciality in the idol of the Lord Shiva Ling. Here it is made with neem wood. This neem wood Shivaling was pratishthed 5000 years back in Dwapar Yug by Panchapandava's brothers. Yes, when they were in Vanvas, they came to this Shangameshwar on the request of the people and on the suggestion of Lord Krishna. To pratish the Shivaling, the eldest brother Yudhishthir sent his younger brother Bhima to go to Kashi and bring a Shivaling. By the time when Bhima came, it was already getting late. So Yudhishthir cut a neem tree and carved a Shivaling and did Pratishta. So when Bhima came, he got angry and threw the linga in water. So Yudhishthir said, the first pujas will be performed to the linga bought by Bhima. So first he did puja to the linga bought by Bhima. This is called as Bhima Linga. It is in Veeravoru, Pagidiyala Mandapam. When he threw the linga in water, it fell in 5 places. That they are Shangameshwaram, Siddheshwaram, Malleshwaram, Kapileshwaram and Someshwaram. The Shangameshwar temple was constructed by Vikramaditya I, one of the king of Badami Chalukyas. They ruled from 6th to 9th century BC. He is very fond of constructing temples. So he constructed Shangameshwar. The Shangameshwar area is 1,20,000 square feet. And the one more famous temple constructed by him was Alampur Jogulamba's temple, which is near the Kurnool city. Here, to construct this temple, he bought the rocks on the bullock carts. So the bullock carts have to cross the rivers. So when they were crossing, there is a part in bullock cart called Khandana. So when the bullock carts were crossing, that Khandana was dissolving. So to make Khandanas, he created a place called Kandanavolu. Now that place Kandanamolu is called as Kurnool. So this temple is immersed in water for 8 months in a year, and in 4 months only the pujas are being performed here. Yes, from 1981, because of the Srisalem Dam project, the Sangameswar temple got immersed in water for 23 years. From 2003, when the dam water got decreased, the temple was seen to the public. From that time, every year, March to June, the pujas are performed in this temple. From July to February, the temple is got immersed in water. There are other upalayas like Lord Ganesha's and Goddess Lalita's. As because they got immersed in water, these temples, some of the parts got damaged. So, along with Shivaling, these two idols are also kept with along Shivaling, and our pujas are done for the other two idols also. This is about Sangameshwar. If you like this channel, please like, share and subscribe. And to see the latest videos notification, please press the bell icon next to it. Thanks for watching this video.